We have market, but the people them can't get to go to the market.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
So it's rainy, and I'm doing a video. It's rainy, and we are, well, Papa G is packing up, he and Shana and Mama G are packing up some tomatoes. And I am not sure we're going to be able to sell all of these tomatoes. In Papa G?
I don't know.
So you take them up and you're wiping them off?
Yeah. Because of the weather.
Because of the weather, what?
We have market, but the people them can't get to go to the market.
Right, so we have persons who sell at the market, but then they can't get to go to the market. So it is a struggle. And that's a part of country living, that's a part of farming. You may not get that market, understand? And then what we do with the blemished ones, Papa G?
Like, make ketchup with it.
Yeah, we make ketchup with the blemished ones, or we're gonna begin dehydrating them to get, well, we don't have sun right now, but it would be the same as sun-dried tomatoes. So Papa G's just here doing this, filling up his bucket. You have a few orders though.
The people them so them will call me back.
Ah, mercy.
Cause it being person for the order, she's away.
Oh. See people, so country living is not easy. Country living is not easy at all.
Not a bed of rose.
Not at all. You know, and you have to understand that you are going to face some of these things. You are going to face difficulties, you're going to face disappointments, but you're going to push through. Here, Papa G, why you picked these so early, Papa G? Are they early or what?
No, because of this storm.
Because of the storm, you didn't want them to get waterlogged?
No, some of the trees too heavy, so they break down.
Oh, some of the trees have, the sweet pepper plants have broken down. Understood.
They're very brickly.
They're very brittle or fragile, I would say. Let me show you the other amount of tomatoes that we have. We have tomato, guys, trust me. Shian is doing this out here. We utilize, this is in the living room. Farming has taken over. We utilize the blemished ones and we use ketchup, make ketchup and different things. Store some in the freezer, but we can't utilize everything. So this is what's happening.